My name is Honorable Sani Umar of Niger State of Nigeria. I visited India and New Delhi, an Asian hospital for a medical treatment. Back there in Nigeria in 2020, I had a repair of umbilical hernia. And then 2 months ago, this umbilical hernia reoccurred. And then I was having a swollen stomach and so much discomfort. So I was introduced to Asian hospital, and very quickly I arranged my flight and visited Asian hospital to have this umbilical hernia repair. On reaching here, the international patient relation team were very wonderful. The reception accorded to me was wonderful. Immediately I was guided and arranged to see a doctor, and then I was fully examined, and then finally the doctor concluded that I am going for a surgery, laparoscopic surgery, and I consented. And a day after my arrival, I had the surgery of that laparoscopy hernia repair. Very successful. And as I speak to you today, I am fit and ready to go back to my country. With this kind of treatment and professional medical attention that I had here in Asian hospital, I will want to assure this hospital and the doctor in particular that when I go back to Nigeria, I will introduce any patient that has similar problem or other medical problems to quick and come to Asian hospital because of their perfection and professionalism. I want to be quick to thank Mrs. Ayushi and doctor, who is Dr. Pankaj Hans. He's a wonderful doctor, so very friendly. I was telling him that I have rated him to be among the world-class surgeons for as part of my experience with him. He's so perfect and so professional. I want to thank him and his wonderful team that did the surgery together. I pray that the God they serve will continue to guide them to help humanity. I want to also thank Mrs. Ayushi and her team, who has been very, very wonderful in guiding me and attending to me medically. I quite appreciate them. Thank you very much.